And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the JCF does not have a hit squad in operation.
That defense from National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang.
And the response comes amidst a surge in the number of fatal shootings by the police.
The matter was addressed the same day the government handed over a unit to the police valued at $1.7 billion.
Details in this report.
We're less than 2 months into the new year, and already there have been 50 fatal shootings by members of the security forces. The figures have raised eyebrows, and questions are now being asked of the state. On Wednesday, Dr. Horace Chang addressed the situation.
Commissioners have initiated a thing called focus deterrence. It's not a hit squad we have here. That used to be that's things of the past you can write in history. The structure that identifies individuals who are involved in criminal activity and build the files around them.
Dr. Chang also made it clear he will not get involved in the security forces' operational matters, and instead issued this warning to gangsters.
The police know them. And when the case is built, they go for them. And when they hear they're coming, I advise them, please come in. And if they attack the police, we still bring them in, maybe in another form. All the man who think them bad, they're not better than the police. We'll find them.
The situation, though, has triggered another round of discussion about the need for members of the security forces to wear body-worn cameras when they go on targeted operations in search of criminals.
Cameras are like, one of the key on the keyboard. If there's nothing to support them, they have very little value to the system.
Incidentally, the spike in fatal shootings by the security forces has coincided with a notable 24% decrease in murders up to February 18 when compared to the same period in 2024. And this injection of motor vehicles and motorcycles, the National Security Minister says, will bolster the fight against crime. The vehicles were handed over at the Police Commissioner's office on Wednesday.
Public security is a priority for the government. And it is a national security issue in which we're looking at how we can ensure we provide the country with a law enforcement unit, that agency that has the capacity to get the job done.
The units are expected to complement the technology being used to track criminals.
Well, we don't have all the cameras out there. We have quite a few. Some of them we use them only for research, but we can identify them. Wherever they go, we'll find them and we'll bring them in, one way or the other. Whether we bring them in the pickup that come behind us in the car, I don't want to come on a stretcher. It's their business. I don't promise that.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.